Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp chat backup notification is keep loading into your phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now this kind of issue often happens with the WhatsApp when your chat backup notification will not disappear from your notification panel. Now in this case, just simply open your settings application into your phone, and in here go to the app settings and find out the WhatsApp into your apps. And after going into the WhatsApp application, you will see so many options into here. You just simply have to force stop your WhatsApp application from here, and after that go to the storage section, and now click to clear cache option into here, and after clearing your WhatsApp cache, the problem will be solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.